This video is going to go into the specific strategy that I'm using to bring in 6 figures every single year in profit with affiliate marketing. Now I know just how obnoxious it is to sit there and talk about how much money you make online, but at least I'm not sitting here in front of a Lambo, right? But in all serious guys, most of you would not take me seriously if I put out a video like this if it was something that I actually had not achieved myself.
You expect me to believe that?
So it's important that you know that this is the exact strategy that I myself am using to do this, and it is working. So let's go ahead and dive in and start talking about the strategy. And before we start, I want to give you a mindset shift. I want to change the way you think about affiliate marketing, especially if you're brand new. So most brand new affiliates, they get into affiliate marketing and they start trying to get one-off sales. They start trying to get these sales and they'll get a sale, right? They'll do some work and they'll get a sale. So they'll do a little more work and they'll get another sale. And that's kind of the cycle that they get stuck in. So they're getting sales, but they're never growing a business, and eventually they burn out and fizzle and they never come back to the industry again. So there's a way you've got to build an affiliate marketing business so that it builds upon itself, and each month you're making more than you did the last month and more than you did the month before that, and you're actually growing the way a normal business would grow. So we're going to talk about exactly how we do that. The first way is using very specific products. So as an affiliate marketer, we're out there and we're trying to sell another company's product, right? And that company's gonna pay us. Now you've got companies like Amazon out there, and you can see on the screen right here, these are Amazon's commissions. You sell a laptop and you get, what, 2 to 4% off of that laptop. That means you're gonna have to sell a lot of laptops, and you're gonna have to consistently sell a lot of laptops, right? Even if you sell 100 laptops this month, if you don't figure out how to sell 100 more next month, you're gonna make nothing next month. But there's a specific group of products that you can look for that actually make you money every single month. And these are called recurring affiliate programs. And we'll actually leave a link down below so you guys can get access to a large list of these programs that I'm talking about. But what it is, these are programs like email marketing softwares or landing page softwares, or pretty much anything in the software world where people pay the company every single month. So when an affiliate refers a customer to the company will actually continue to pay the affiliate marketer for as long as that customer stays, right? So if we've got a product that charges the customers $100 a month and you send a customer to that company, they will pay you, let's say, $40 every single month as long as that customer stays.
Stay.
And this can go on for months, it can go on for years. I've seen it go on for decades. So one of the keys to building up and growing an affiliate business is actually picking products like this, because if you can make 2 sales this month, that means you've already got 2 sales next month.
I'm really rich.
So let's show you on screen what we're talking about here. Let's say in the month of January, we get 2 sales, right? We've now got 2 customers paying $100 a month, and we're making $40 a month off each of them. That means that in February, we're already starting off at a higher point than we did in January. We've already got $40 plus $40, $80 coming in that month. And if we get some additional sales, then we're gonna make money on top of that. We can move on to March, right? Now we've got, let's say, the $80 coming in from January, the $80 coming in from February. We add another $80 to our recurring income. Now we're starting to build up this business, right? And by the end of the year, we can be bringing in $500, $1,000, or $5,000 passively in recurring income from these previous customers we've sent to the company. The second thing you've got to focus on if you want to build up these businesses that reach 6 figures is you've got to focus on the right traffic sources. So we get traffic from everywhere online, right? If you're not familiar with this idea, affiliate marketers are out there on Facebook, maybe they're on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or any of these platforms, and they're sending traffic to their affiliate links, right? That's how they're getting people to go click their affiliate links. Well, let's have a peek here at Instagram, right? We go throw a piece of content on Instagram and it's there for a day, and then the next day it disappears. And it's never gonna get seen again, so we've got to put on another piece of content, right? And then another piece of content and another piece of content.
Stop.
And we're always having to put out content if we want to be getting seen and getting people to click our affiliate links. Now this is one way to go about it, but you can still burn out. So let's have a look instead at my YouTube channel, okay? And specifically the analytics and how much clicks and views I'm getting on my YouTube videos. You can see right here, this is a couple years ago on a different YouTube channel I run. For 6 months, I didn't put out a single video, didn't do any work on this channel. I didn't even log into this channel. But you can see right here from July 1st, 2018 through December 31st, the number of views that I got every single day didn't go down. It didn't even stay the same. It actually went up a little bit. You can see I was getting thousands of views every single day, which was resulting in people clicking my affiliate links every single day and me building up an affiliate business every single day. So YouTube and Google are search engines, and the way that they work is they serve up content that you create for a very long time. I can create something now, and for years, YouTube will continue to show that to people, as will Google. So this means that just like with the example with products, we can build up a business that slowly grows over time, right? Let's say we put out 4 videos in January. Well, guess what? In February, February, those 4 videos are gonna get 50 views each as well. So now we're kind of starting from this point where we're getting 200 views regardless when February starts. We put out 4 more videos, and now when March starts, we're gonna get 400 views, which will result in clicks to our affiliate link no matter what. And it continues to build up from there, right? We continue to build up this business that actually is growing because it's building upon successes from previous months.
How cool is that?
So I always recommend choosing at least one search engine to be in your quiver of traffic so that you can build a business that actually continues to grow every single month. So let's get very specific now, and we'll actually talk about and show you in my exact business
where this money is coming from.
So most of my money comes from YouTube commissions, but you can do this with Google or any other search engine out there. Now, the way I specifically do it is I break my videos down into 3 specific types of videos. Okay, the low-hanging fruit, the mid-hanging fruit, and the fruit that's on the top of the tree that's a lot harder to get, and you don't really go for it until you've already hit all the low-hanging fruit. So let's talk about low-hanging fruit, or the really easy stuff to start making money online. The easiest thing you can do is take somebody that's searching on YouTube or searching on Google for a product and basically helping them make the buying decision for that product. So you can see right here, a big chunk of my affiliate commissions comes from a product called ClickFunnels, and you can see that when someone goes to YouTube and they type in ClickFunnels review, my video is the very first one that they see. Now, if you go into the description of this video, you'll actually see right here, I give a link to ClickFunnels that they can sign up for after I give it the review. And this same thing goes for all the products that I choose to promote. The very first thing I do is make a review for them because it's very, very low hanging fruit. You can see right here, active campaign review. I've got a video right there that's got thousands and thousands of views reviewing active campaign and sending people to my active campaign affiliate link. Click Magic review right here, Thinkific review right there, Authority Hacker review right here, and the list goes on and on. So this is very low hanging fruit, right? Somebody that's searching this is thinking about buying this course in this case, and they're maybe really close to actually buying. Now, I've taken this course and I love the course. So it's very easy for me to make a positive review and then point them in the direction of my affiliate link at the bottom of the video after the review. Now, I'm gonna be honest, we're coming close to 6 figures just using the method we just talked about above, just going for the low-hanging fruit with these products that I choose to promote. Let me give a quick caveat here. Each of these products that I choose to promote, I like and I use, and it's very easy for me to leave positive reviews because they're the products that I'm actually using, and I've used their competitors and I don't like them. So let's move on and talk a little bit about the medium fruit. Okay, so this is the stuff that once we run out of doing reviews, because we can only review so many products that we like, right? We move on to some other types of content we can create on YouTube, and this is the second way that I'm building up my affiliate commissions. So what we're doing here is we're finding people that would be interested in our affiliate products, for example, Authority Hacker, or ClickFunnels, or Active Campaign. We're taking people that would be interested in that, and they're searching on YouTube for something, but they don't quite know what they're looking for.
I need help.
So one of those products that I showed that I was reviewing was Thinkific, which is an online course software where you can host online courses and things like that. Not only do I have a Thinkific review that's bringing me in traffic and making me affiliate commissions, but I've also got videos like this one right here that talks about how to create and launch an online course step by step, right? So these people aren't looking for Thinkific, but they kind of are looking for Thinkific. They're trying to figure out how to launch an online course, and a big piece of that is to have a platform where you're going to host the entire course. So I'm able to help these people, teach them how I launch online courses, and then I'm able to refer them to the software that I'm using an affiliate link. So these people aren't necessarily the hottest, right? They're not super low or they're about to sign up for Thinkific, but a lot of these people do have money. They are looking with a problem for a solution, and we're able to present that solution to them with videos such as these. Now, the last thing I'm doing, which is kind of the high-hanging fruit, a little bit harder than some of these other methods, is very similar to the second way. What I'm doing is I'm taking these people that I know would be interested in these products that I'm an affiliate for, and then I'm figuring out what else they're looking for online that may not be buyer related, just videos that they would watch. Then I make those videos, and I'll show you the process right here. So these tend to be more entertaining. So a great example for this is actually the video we put out just a few weeks ago. You can see right here, it was me spamming 1,000 affiliate links on Twitter. There's no one out there that's looking to buy a course. I don't have any place that I can send them to go buy something specific about this, but I knew that affiliate marketers, which a lot of my products that I promote are tied into that particular group of people, I know that they would be interested in watching this video. But I know that the people that are in my target market would enjoy watching that video and would learn something from that video and would probably click that link. And you can see it's got about 6,000 views in about a week. So with videos like these, the process looks like this. The person clicks into the video, they watch and hopefully enjoy the video and like the content I'm putting out. Now in the video, video, I will mention something for free. I'll send them somewhere where they can get something for free that appeals to them. So we know my audience here is affiliate marketers, so I'm gonna send them somewhere for something for free that appeals to affiliate marketers. In this case, it's about a 2-hour training that kind of talks about a lot of what we're talking about here actually. So when they go to that training, they end up on this page and they put in their email address and they get access to the training. Now they've put in their email address and I'm able to start selling them these affiliate products and hopefully catching them at better times, right? So when they're watching this entertaining content on YouTube, they're probably not ready to go buy something. But a lot of these guys do need these products. And so now I'm able to send them an email, maybe 1 email or 2 emails a week, where I start teaching them about these different products and how they can benefit these affiliate marketers. And then I start to get sales from that.
That hard work paid off.
Now this isn't as easy as the other 2 methods, but this is how we can scale infinitely, right? The other 2 methods have limits to how far we can scale. And this is how we can basically go find all the affiliate marketers online, if that's who we're targeting, and get them to be clicking our affiliate links. So using all 3 of these in tandem, I'm able to create this constantly growing in both revenue and audience size business that can run on itself a lot of times, even if I disappear for a month or 2 to go on vacation. So I've got hundreds of videos that send leads to my affiliate links every single month. And even if I completely stopped trying, my business would probably plateau for a while. But as long as I keep putting out videos, I'm just growing. I'm getting more and more videos online that are sending more and more leads to these affiliate links that are driving more and more people to sign up. And then these people are signing up for these recurring affiliate programs where I'm making money every single month for the people that have signed up under my link. It's a cool sales machine, and I can tell you right now, anyone can do this and a few years from now be on a hammock doing their job from a beach. Do I teach more about this? Absolutely I do. The link down below is the same link you just saw actually below this video if you want to learn a lot more about what I just talked about with all of this. But if not, you can subscribe, and we have got massive amounts of free content all about affiliate marketing for those that are trying to learn affiliate marketing the free way. In fact, there's a video right here that you can get started with right now. Thanks for watching, guys.